Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the Havok Racer Chronograph watch from Havok Timepieces. So, it comes in this nice little white box, cardboard box. Inside it, open it. Alright, we've got the Havok Racer Chronograph box. Nice little touches with the brand logos and that on the box. Alright, we'll open it up. Nice little thank you card and a $20 voucher for being a founder on Kickstarter. Watch setting guide. And then inside the box, got this lovely rose gold edition watch with the sapphire glass to prevent scratching. So here it is. No way you're going to be able to see it on this potato, but it's quite a nice watch. I'll take off the plastic and attempt to take off the plastic. There we are. Nice stainless steel construction. Nice leather band as well. Nice Italian leather. Actually quite soft. It's a quite a nice, nice looking watch. Yeah, so there it is. The Havok Racer Chronograph in rose gold. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.